Okay, we're in the laundry, the clothes laundry, and like there's any other laundry, right? Hot and cold connections are labeled. We do not have a safety pan. It's on the bottom floor. I'm not thinking a safety pan is required. This is the electric power supply to the laundry system, to the clothes washer, and it's not GFCI protected, and it probably wasn't when the home was built. When the structure was built, the building, but by today's standards, and that's a safety device, by today's standards that would be required. This is the clothes dryer vent, and it should be labeled as far as the length and the width and how many bins, so that when equipment is bought, it can expel the moisture and the lint through the piping. So it's good to know that kind of data when you're shopping for your equipment. That's the 4-prong electric clothes dryer. Okay. Now, all I know is that I got power. Power is going to it. Originally there was a water heater tank here. See, these shelves have been added. I get that. I understand. This piping is for the old water heater, and it should have been shortened and capped off. You just have paper wadded up there. I know it goes outside. I get that. It goes outside. So it's not going to be like sewer gases or anything. But in a good and workmanlike manner. I'm just saying. I just say a lot. Coming up, this is the main water shutoff valve to the house. It's to the unit, to the home. It's kind of difficult to get to. This is the water meter. So each unit is individually metered. There is a filtration system going to the water supply here. So this filter is probably going to need to be serviced. This is the water heater, tankless water heater, made in Germany. Stabil electron. I cannot find anywhere on this unit. I cannot find a serial or a model number. It's just not here. So there should be an electric service disconnect here so that the technician can work on this and feel reasonably safe. I've been to the electric meter, the electric service panel. I visited it briefly just to see if there was a disconnect, and there's not. So, I mean, a lockout, that you can lock it out and, diligently render the unit without energy, but there's not one there. And the electric cables, when they come in, there should be clamps around those. The cable should not be routed freely through an open edge in the cabinet like that. There should be a clamp. There you go. There should be a clamp that goes around it. Clamp that goes around it that keeps it from rubbing on the sides to make it safer. And that noise in the background, that's the dishwasher.